Today, I'm going to show you how to color cake batter with our master leads. Master leads are so powerful, but they need to be activated with moisture. So what we're going to do is put inside of our wet ingredients and mix it before we add the dry. Master lead orange and a 1/8 teaspoon. We're going to activate it inside of our wet ingredients. Scraping down the bowl, I'm making sure that I incorporate any particles of the master elite. And mix. 1/8 of a teaspoon got this vibrant color. When filling a mini bun, the easiest and most consistent way is using a piping bag. A piping bag gives you the control you need. And boom! Look at how gorgeous every one of these baked. The color, phenomenal. Taking this gorgeous little bundt cake, putting it in the center of our Lazy Susan. We're gonna go ahead and cut that. When cutting cakes, you want a knife that's sharp and beveled on both sides. No teeth. Carefully, we cut along the bottom. Careful, careful. And done. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm doing. You're gonna see at the very end. And I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be cute. Sometimes you may wanna go and just give it a little off the top. Let's make some pumpkins. Now those are pumpkin cakes.